Introducing the world's best portable walking foot sewing machine, the Ultrafeed LSZ. It has the ability to sew incredibly thick, dense assemblies. This is 8 layers of a heavy canvas, sewn with a zigzag stitch. The Ultrafeed LSZ model sews both zigzag and straight stitches. The walking foot technology feeds your fabric. All you have to do is guide the material so you can focus on your sewing. With the Worker Bee Power Pack motor system, you can easily adjust maximum sewing speed with a twist of a dial on the control box. Now the control box is set to the minimum speed. This is as fast as it will sew with the foot control pressed all the way down. But if you press lightly on the foot control, you can control exactly where the needle stops in small increments, as shown here. Now that's optimum speed control, and look at the power to punch through that leather. Whether your comfort level is 1 stitch per second precision or 550 stitches per minute, the Worker Bee provides maximum power. Now we will demonstrate pushing the foot pedal down 1/4 of the way and holding it there to show the stitch by stitch pace you can sew with the Ultrafeed. And that is through that 10-ounce leather. Impressive, right? Easily adjust your stitch length with the Easy Set Stitch Length plate for precise, consistent stitching in both forward and reverse. The Ultrafeed has the longest stitch length of any portable sewing machine on the market. Now your stitch length is set to your required length. The Worker Bee integrated light is pre-installed and shines brightly directly on the presser foot sewing area, so you can clearly and easily see your stitching. A cording or piping tunnel is built into the standard foot so you can sew soft upholstery piping like this without having to change the presser foot. The Ultrafeed was designed for heavy sewing, even though it will do home sewing as well, but since it's designed for heavy sewing, we designed the POSI-Pin Safety Shear. It's engineered to break if your Ultrafeed hits something hard or binds up, helping to save your machine from potential internal damage. This important machine advancement is only found on Sailrite sewing machines. The Sailrite Ultrafeed is truly the world's best portable walking foot sewing machine. And to top it all off, our heavy-duty industrial carrying case will protect your machine while you sew on the go. Visit Sailrite for more information today.